Everybody, this is lecture for week 7, lecture 2, and we are still in topic 5. Okay, this is I think the third subtopic in topic 5. The subtopic is about managing customers or customer relationship management. Okay. This is not about only having a customer, but how to manage the customer, how to get the most from the customer. Okay, let's see here. What is customer relationship management or CRM? Okay, CRM is about collecting and analyzing customer data, and then developing strong customer relationships. And also, e-commerce applications may allow customers to access interactive websites and initiate and complete transactions over the internet. So you can see here, it is not only finding customers. CRM is about managing the customers. How to monitor and try to get the most from the customer. And also you can see here, e-commerce is very important. It has a big impact on the way on the way CRM is done. Many years ago, the interaction between the customer and the business is only by face-to-face or maybe by phone only. But now customer can interact with the business using internet. The customer can interact using internet, using an online platform. Customer can chat with the customer relation of the business online, and also can purchase things online. So that has impact on the CRM. So customer profitability analysis. So like I said earlier, this is about how to get the most from the customer. So if you are a business, you can do some analysis to find the most profitable customer for your business. So see the first point, activity-based analysis may be used to determine the relative profitability of customers. So now, remember, if you can remember, when you want to calculate cost, you can use traditional costing, or the alternative is activity-based costing. So in this textbook, most of the time, activity-based costing or activity-based analysis is used, because if you can remember, when we compare activity-based cost calculation and traditional cost calculation, activity-based calculation is more accurate. So that's why in this textbook, when the analysis of cost or calculation of cost is done, activity-based approach is used. So customer cost analysis is the cost of product purchased by customers plus customer-driven activities. Customer-driven costs may include marketing and selling, packaging, order entry, and after-sales services. So now you have to aware that if you have a business, when you analyze your relationship with your customer, it is not only about the price that the customer is willing to pay for your product. You also have to consider or to include in your calculation the cost that you have to pay when you deal with this customer, and that cost includes the marketing and selling costs, packaging costs, order entry, and after sales services. Now, when you sell something to a customer, it is not only the thing that you sell, but there are other things. See here the after sales services and etc. So, and also when you are dealing with customers, you have to aware that customers can be divided into two groups: high cost customers and also low cost customers. Some customers you can say they are high cost customers. Some customers are low cost customers. So let's see the difference. High cost customers and low cost customers. See here, in terms of manufacturing, high cost customers, the customers require customized features or product. But low cost customer, they only require standard product. Why? So when you see the high cost customer, we call them high cost customer because when they ask for customized product, you as a business has to spend more. You have to spend more to do the setting, to do the molding maybe, because the customer asks for a specialized or customized product. So you as a business has to pay more. So that's why we call the customer as high cost customer. In terms of order entry, the salesperson take orders directly from the customer. So once a salesperson take orders directly from the customer, the order entry is expensive because you have to pay for the salesperson's salary or commission. But for low cost customer, the customer submit orders electronically, so there is no, basically very minimum cost. In terms of distribution, for high cost customers, the customer requires very fast delivery, maybe overnight delivery. That's why the cost is high. You have to pay more for the delivery. But low cost customer, the customer is satisfied with several days of delivery. Okay. And then credit collection. For high cost customer pays within 90 days by check and requires receipt. But low cost customer, they pay very quickly. Technical support. High cost customer requires specialized training for its staff, but low cost customer provides own in-house training. So if you are a business or you have a business, which one is your preferred customer, high cost customer or low cost customer? Most of the time, high cost customer, even though the cost is high to maintain these customers, but this group of customers, they orders in big quantities. But low cost customers are customers who orders small quantities. So there is a trade-off that you have to make, whether you have to keep this high cost customer or not. That's the thing. Okay, how to calculate the customer cost? 3 level of customer driven activities and costs. So remember, the approach used to calculate the customer cost is activity based approach. First, order level activities, second, customer level activities, and third, market level activities. Calculating customer cost, customer performance measures related to market share, customer retention, acquisition and satisfaction, and customer profitability. So this is an example of how to calculate customer cost. So the approach used is the activity-based approach. So you can see here activity, there are 3 levels of activities: order level, customer level, and market level activities. So you can see here there are three group of customers: direct customers, small retailers, and large retailers. So see here, under the order level cost, there are processing and order cost, delivery the product, and then customer level cost, sales calls and handling customer complaints, market level cost, market research, advertising in retail and magazine, etc. So you can see the complete example for this customer cost calculation in the textbook. Okay, see. This is the 4 customer measures. So these are the measures related to managing the customer. So the first one, let's see, market share. So what is the definition of market share? The proportion of organization sales to total industry sales. The examples of performance measures: the proportion of organization sales to major retailers compared with total industry sales to those retailers. And then the second one is change in the organization's market share each quarter. Okay, customer acquisition. The definition is the rate at which an organization attracts and wins new customers. So measures that can be used are the numbers of new customers, total sales to new customers, sales to existing customers at a proportion of total sales. So, and then there are 3 other measures: customer retention, customer satisfaction, customer profitability. So see the customer profitability, because we accountant are more concerned about the profit. So customer profitability, the definition is the profit attributable to a customer or customer group. So how to measure that? First, change in customer profitability per quarter. Second, proportion of lost customers compared to profitable customers. So these are the measures that can be used when you calculate or evaluate the customer. Okay, that's it. I think this is the lecture, the second lecture for week 7. Thank you very much. This is a very short lecture. So I hope in future videos I can share with you sample questions related to every topics that we have covered. Topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and also I wish you a good time during the mid-semester break and also the Hari Raya break. Thank you very much. Do not forget to write your name and matric number in the comment section. That is your lecture attendance.